YouTube, it's me again. What am I doing? I'll explain what I'm doing. Basically all I'm doing in this section of the video is I'm drilling holes. What I'm drilling holes in though is, I picked up a Harbor Freight Braun, Braun 4-foot LED hanging shop light. And I always have a problem when I open my garage door, the lights above it get blocked. So I'm going to drill 6 holes in here, 2 here, 2 in the middle, and 2 on the end. And I'm going to screw this to my garage door on the bottom. So when I open it, I get a nice light. And then I just got to figure out a fancy way to hold the cable. I already shortened this thing, so I can just do that. It's a $20 light, and it's an LED light. So if I open the door really quick, the LED will take the door will give the light will take the shock better of opening and closing the door. So here, I'll just drill some holes in it. You can watch. So yeah, just trying to drill some pilot holes for now. Thankfully, the good thing about this is it's aluminum, so I'm not even gonna measure. Just gonna. I just need some holes long enough so I can get a screw in the door. And I was thinking of gluing it on, like sticky tape, but it gets too cold in here, so sticky tape doesn't exactly work too well. Small holes first, big holes next. Come on, get over there. Drill a bigger hole. Because I'm always like, open the door at night, and I only have like one little LED bulb on top, so I figured, time for an upgrade. And since I think these are awesome, holy Jesus, went too quick. Well, that went through like butter. Peanut butter. Skippy peanut butter is good to eat. Let's see. Holy shit, I'm impressed. That is some thin aluminum. I think it's a little bit, what do you call it? It's a little bit thicker than a soda can. I probably should shave that off. Give me a second here, I'm gonna go get a file. Just trying to deburr the, actually, you know what? Got one of these suckers. Yeah. Come on. Nice. There we go. Ta-da! I drilled right through the side of it. Deburry. Doesn't deburr the inside too well. Where'd that file go? Missed a few chunks. That's where you lose a. That's where you get a nice sharp nick in your hand when you get those pieces stuck in. There you go. Now you can see what I'm doing. Got my little Milwaukee deburring tool. Works good. I'm pretty sure they're all the same. Made in China somewhere. Indonesia, Pakistan, Colombia, wherever. Alright now. Cool. Didn't do this side very well. Didn't do this side very well either. Come on. There we go. So now, what I have is a tangled mess. So now on the light, you can see I have 2 holes in here. I'm just going to drop 2 screws straight into my garage door. 6 screws, I should say. So let me set this up and I'll show you what I'm going to do. Thanks for watching. Hello YouTube, I'm way down here. I'm putting the light on the door. So I'm basically going to screw it on like so. And what am I using? Old-fashioned wood screws, because I don't know what else to use. So I'm going to see if a wood screw will go in my door. Aluminum being screwed into aluminum. So I'm going to go like this. There we go. It worked. I wanted them into there. Put some more junk over. And we'll put Another one down here somewhere. Oh, there we go. It does not have to be perfect. Maybe to some people it does, but screwed it on there. All right. I don't know if you can see this, but I'll show you in a minute how it looks. Well, it's on there pretty tight. Holy jeez. Holy crackamoles. One more. One more. Why are you 6? I don't know. It was a good. So now, yeah, there we go. I have a light that goes like that. See, I have a light in the bottom of the door. Now, is the extension long enough? Who knows? But I do have a light here that lights up the bottom. And if I open up the door, which, let me open it. Yep. Get this junk out of the way first. I'll show you. Come on. Yeah, I use a hammer to open my door. The damn latches are nowhere good. So, and I haven't remembered to go get new ones, so sue me. The light now goes up like that. I don't know if you can see this, but the light is now up here, which is cool. So instead of installing like a set of lights underneath, I was thinking of putting a light bar underneath the garage door when it goes up, but I'm like, you know what? That's just too much work. $20 light strapped to the garage door, perfect, and you can still pull the cord too. Anyway, thanks for watching. That's my latest shop upgrade. Check out the folks below, like, subscribe, do all that fancy stuff, and subscribe to my channel. I know the whole bunch of you are watching these things, and so subscribe.